Hi PlayPauseBeers! So I'm back again today to talk a little bit more about the Asana Expansion Deck. So we're going to start to flip a little bit through. So we have added the seated cat-cow for really, starting that slow warm-up, but really coming through your spine and starting to activate those abdominals. I really love this one. Then we have a debalancing tabletop knee to nose flow, which is great to start to activate the core, but it's also a great balancing, and it's actually can be quite challenging at times. Another one that I really love, that I often use, especially I wanted to say especially in the beginning of the flow, but also like through it, is your downward facing dog to plank. So really like rolling through your spine from the downward facing dog like a wave, and coming into plank pose. I really, really love that one. And it's a great one for, warming up your spine. You have to, engage your core, your arms will get a bit of a work, and it's a fantastic one, okay? So these are the cards I'm gonna talk about today, and then tomorrow I might draw some others. So stay tuned for tomorrow's.